Okay, what if I told you that you could build a really profitable YouTube channel, but without ever showing your face? I know, it sounds a little too good to be true, right? But today, we are diving deep into a method that's honestly perfect for beginners, for side hustlers, or really just anyone who's a little bit camera shy.
So let's just get right to it. Can you really make money on YouTube without being on camera? The answer is a huge, resounding yes. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to do it. So, this whole thing is called Faceless YouTube Automation, and it is a total game changer. The best way to think about it is like you have an AI co-creator. Seriously. The AI writes your scripts, an AI voice narrates them for you, and all you have to do is sprinkle in some free video clips to bring it all together. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need expensive software, you don't need any experience at all. We're going to be using free tools for pretty much everything, which means you could literally start today with $0 invested.
All right, let's get into the very first step. And, it's arguably the most important one, choosing your niche. This is the entire foundation of your channel, so yeah, it's definitely worth getting it right.
So, what kind of topics work well for this? Well, you want to think about content that's easy to make and has a really broad appeal. Niches like motivational quotes, interesting facts, or even those luxury lifestyle clips. They're perfect. People are always looking for quick, inspiring, or just fascinating content, and these niches deliver exactly that.
Okay, so once you've landed on a niche that you're excited about, it's time to fire up the AI production line. This is where the real magic happens, because we're going to automate the script, the voiceover, and even find the visuals. First up on our little production line, the script. And no, you do not need to be a great writer, because an AI is about to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's really as simple as this. You can just go to a tool like ChatGPT and give it a prompt just like the one you see here. And in seconds, I mean literally seconds, you'll have a complete script, totally ready to go. It's that easy. So now that you have your script, you need a voice. But you can put that microphone away because you don't have to say a single word. The AI is going to be your narrator now. You just take your script, paste it into a text-to-speech tool, something like 11 Labs or PlayHT, and then you just choose a voice that you like. These services have incredibly realistic voices, and a lot of them have free plans to get you started. All you do is click generate, and boom, you've got your audio file. Okay, so with the script written and the audio all recorded, we just need one more piece of the puzzle to really bring this video to life, and that is, of course, the visuals. And the best part about this? Absolutely no filming required. You can find amazing, high-quality video clips completely for free on sites like Pexels and Pixabay. You just search for keywords that match your script, like success or motivation, luxury, and download a few clips that catch your eye. So we've got our script, we've got our voiceover, and we've got our video clips. Now it's time for the final assembly, where we combine everything into a polished video that's ready for YouTube. And trust me, this part is super simple. Using a free editor like CapCut or even Canva, you just upload your video clips, drag and drop your AI voiceover onto the timeline, and then export the final video. That's it. That's all there is to it. So you've created some awesome content, but how does this actually turn into, money? Let's switch gears and talk about the monetization machine and how you actually get paid. Now, before you can start earning money, YouTube has two main requirements to get into its partner program. And this is basically just to make sure that your channel has built up a real audience. First up, you've got to build a community. The goal is to get at least 1,000 subscribers. These are people who like your content enough that they actually want to see more of it. And second, you need to show that people are actually watching your videos. So your goal here is 4,000 hours of watch time within a year. This just proves to YouTube that your content is engaging and that it's keeping people's attention. So once you hit those numbers, what kind of money are we really talking about? Well, it varies a lot by niche, but you can expect to earn anywhere from, say, $3 to $15 for every 1,000 views. And with consistent uploads, those numbers can really start to add up. So there you have it, a complete blueprint for building a YouTube channel from the ground up. We've seen how AI can be your writer, it can be your narrator, and how free tools can bring your ideas to life. So the only question left is, are you ready to let AI be your silent co-creator?